Welcome to day 2 of Robot 1 Week. Today we're going to begin our prototyping. And we want to give a huge thank you to FTC team 11129 Robotitans for donating their workspace to us.
After yesterday's Frog Force Functional deployment, we've decided to come up with sketches. And out of all of these, the simplest design that took care of all of our tasks was this one. So we prototyped our rubber band intake and our shooter and transfer mechanism here with a single wheel.
What are you guys doing right now?
Yes. So currently we are prototyping some of the wheels we saw in the Beck season Nothing But Net. And in those wheels, they use 2 rollers, and in between those 2 rollers, they suspend a bunch of rubber bands. So this is our prototype of the rubber band wheel. We stacked 3 wheels of cardboard, cut some slots out in them, and put 2 rubber bands in so they form this kind of pattern. We're about to test it with the drill to see if it'll actually pick up the balls on the ground.
Yeah. Okay, more compression.
So to test compression, we got cardboard and we cut out slots for it to test different sizes and different amounts of tension in the rubber bands.
After our testing, we decided to add 6 rubber bands rather than 2 because we needed the extra compression so that it could go higher up on the ramp. Flow 2. That's beautiful.
So this is the finalized version of our prototype for our intake. So we have currently 5 rubber bands suspended across a 4-inch diameter sprocket with about 9 inches of length between them. We have also been using this chassis along with this cardboard ramp to mimic what would be our indexer ramp.
And the reason why we chose to do the sprocket is so that we could adjust where the rubber bands are, and then we figured out just evenly spaced has been pretty consistent for it. That's good.
This is our shooter prototype, and what we did is we attached a roller onto an extrusion, and we just want to see how much compression would allow us to shoot further.
That's like nothing. We need more compression.
Try again.
From the battery charger thing. Hold it. Oh my god. Oh, that's fast.
Okay, with the ball. With the ball. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh! Nice. No, up a bit. Like farther up on the board.
Here?
Yeah, like that.
Oh! Let's go.
Oh! Optimal prototype that we found for the shooter was stealth wheels with a 6,000 RPM motor, and we chose stealth wheels because it didn't have too much compression to shoot it into there, but also wasn't too solid, and 6,000 RPM allowed us to get a great velocity to shoot into the coal.
Thank you for watching this episode of Robot in 1 Week. Stay tuned for our next video tomorrow where we will be going over computer-aided design and how we implement these prototypes.